entry right here, stop goes above this high, and target for 23 hour approximately. So welcome back to another episode. So today I am going to share a trade that I took on Euro USD on 30th of September. So this was the trade for approximately 23 hour. So let's start breaking down this trade. So first we go to the higher time frame. Let me delete this first. Okay, so this is the previous day's high, and we have a clear liquidity resting to the downside. This is the liquidity that we are targeting, so we are looking for shorts on this day. So let's go down to 5-minute time frame. So we do not have any trade in London session. Okay, technically we do have, but I did not enter any trade. We had a trade right here, but I was not able to trade this session as I was not at my desk. So what do you see? We see a clear accumulation phase, and during the New York, just before New York, the market takes out high of the previous day. So now after the price takes out the high of the previous day, we are looking for shorts, but we do not enter right here. We wait for the New York session. So as you can clearly see, the price is making a downwards channel. This is the clear indication that price is ready to sell. So we'll mark out our POIs. So let's see on the 15-minute time frame, we do not have anything. On 5-minute as well, we do not have anything. Let's go down to 1 minute. So what do you see on 1-minute time frame? After taking out the previous day's high, we have a clear POS. This is the POS, and this was the last candle that took out this low. So we wait. After the price taps into this POI, gives another POS, another break of structure to the downside, and then this was our entry right here. So your entry is right here. Stop goes above this high, and you already know the target, but for this particular day I was just targeting this approximately 24-hour trade in a day. You just have to wait for your setups and do not take any random trades in between. That's why I only trade the London and the New York Open, nothing in between. I took my partials 50% here, and the entire position was closed below this low. Thank you for joining once again. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.